Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to cook barbecue chicken legs in the oven. First, get your oven ready by preheating it to a moderate 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then, carefully pat your chicken legs completely dry. This crucial step helps achieve that delicious crispy skin. Finally, season them well with a good quality barbecue rub, ensuring every piece is covered evenly. Once seasoned, arrange your chicken legs in a single layer on a baking sheet, ideally lined for easy cleanup. Place them into your preheated oven and bake for a full 45 minutes, resisting the urge to add any sauce just yet. This crucial first bake allows the chicken fat to render down and the skin to become wonderfully crisp, setting the stage for perfect barbecue. After the initial 45 minutes, carefully remove the chicken from the oven. Now comes the delicious part. Generously brush your chosen barbecue sauce over every surface of each chicken leg. Take your time to ensure a complete and even coating, making sure no spot is missed, as this provides that signature sticky, savory flavor we all love. Return the sauced chicken legs to the oven for another 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the sauce to beautifully caramelize. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning, as sugary sauces can brown quickly. The most important step is to confirm the internal temperature reaches 175 degrees Fahrenheit using a reliable meat thermometer, ensuring they are perfectly cooked and safe to eat.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.